Om. Prana Talk. Is it for me? When you practice pranayama, you actually replace the natural rhythms of breathing for pranayama rhythms. And just as you breathe naturally at different rhythms, you'll find different rhythms in pranayama. As your natural breath reacts on you doing sport activity or when you are at rest, your breath also reacts on emotions like anger and fear, happiness and grief. By the practice of pranayama, you gain more control over your breath and therefore more control over your emotions. With regular practice, you will be in more control of your own life. How? If you would have more control and awareness towards your breath in different situations in life, you will be more aware of your emotions, and therefore you can change the course of your reactions. And that's quite a life changer. Pranayama exercises provide more oxygen to your brain, maintenance to help your brain being healthy and optimize functioning of your mind. So it is for your body. Pranayama provides more oxygen to your blood, distracted by your lungs, feeding veins and arteries, using all your blood vessels to distribute oxygen to all organs and all tissue throughout your body. It rewards you with the feeling of being fully alive. Prana is the force of life, so you can imagine.